Hello students, in today's class we are going to talk about the different pricing strategies which marketer can use for pricing their products. The first one is skimming pricing strategy. What is skimming pricing? Skimming pricing refers to high initial price charged when a new product is introduced in the market, which means when marketer come up with a new product in the market, he start charging very high price for that new product, and such strategy is called as skimming pricing strategy. This is done with the basic idea of gaining a premium from those buyers who are always ready to pay a much higher price than the others. For example, mobile phones when it introduced in the market were highly priced, and after some times the price of the mobile phones will get reduced. The second one is penetration pricing. Penetration pricing is exactly opposite of skimming pricing. In penetration pricing, the price charged for the products and services is set artificially low in order to gain the market share. That is, to gain the market share or to increase the market share for the product, the companies start charging very less price for their product. And once this objective is achieved, the marketer start charging or start increasing the price of the product. This approach was used by the France Telecom and Sky TV. One more example I would like to add here, that is Reliance Company's Jio Mobile's SIM card. When Reliance Company come up with a Jio SIM card, they have given free initially for 6 months or 1 year, and after some times they started charging the price for the call rates, price for the internet data pack, and now the price of their product is increasing day by day because they have achieved their target. And what was the target? Increasing the market share. So they have increased their market share, and now the company started charging the very high price for their product. It may be a call rates, it may be a data pack. Now Jio mobile phones data pack and even the other companies data pack cost will be somewhat similar. Okay, it is not less as it was before. So initially they charge very low price for the call rates for the data pack, and now they started increasing the price for their internet data pack as well as for the call rates. Okay, and such strategy is called as what? Penetration pricing strategy, where companies charge very high price at initial level, and their objective is to increase the market share. So once they gain the market share, the price is increased. The next one is competitive pricing. As per the competitive pricing strategies, pricing of the product will be done depending upon the degree of competition level in the market. That is, the producer of a new product may decide to fix the price at a competitive level. And this is used when a market is highly competitive and the product is not differentiated significantly from the competitive products. When the product is similar and if there is a high competition level in the market, the marketer can go for competitive pricing strategy. The next strategy is predatory pricing. Now, what is predatory pricing? When firm sets a very low price for one or more of its products with the intention of driving its competitors out of the business is called as predatory pricing. Next one is economy pricing. Economy pricing is a method of pricing in which a low price is assigned to a product with decreased production cost. The cost of marketing and manufacture are kept at a minimum, and such pricing strategy is called as what? Economy pricing strategy. For example, supermarkets often have economy brands for soups, spaghetti, etc. The next one is psychological pricing. Psychological pricing approach is used when the marketer wants the consumer to respond on an emotional rather than rational basis. For example, price point perspective 99 cents, not $1. That is, marketers charge the price for the product rupees 99, not rupees 100. Okay, we have seen so many products in the market where the price of the products will be 199, 299, not exactly 200 or exactly 300. Okay, and such strategy is called as what? Psychological pricing strategy. The intention of this pricing strategy is that they want the customer to respond on an emotional rather than the rational basis. The next one is captive product pricing. Captive product pricing means where products have complements, companies will charge a premium price where the consumer is captured. For example, a razor manufacturer will charge a low price and recoup its margin from the sale of only design of blades which will fit the razor. Is called as what? Captive product pricing. The next one is geographical pricing strategy. Geographical pricing strategy means here geographical pricing is evident where there are variations in pricing in different parts of the world. You cannot find the price for the same product in the different part of the world. There will be different pricing for the product at a different parts of the world. For example, rarity value or where the shipping cost increase the price. So what products you may get in domestic market will not be available the same product in the other market at the same price, because the price of the product will include the shipping charges or other charges as well. The next one is value pricing. Value pricing means what? Here, marketer try to give the quality product at a affordable prices. That is, price of the product will kept low, but at the same time, they try to make sure that they will maintain the quality of the product. This approach is used where the external factors such as recession or increased competition force companies to provide value products and services to retain the sales and also to gain the loyal customers for the company. For example, value meals at McDonald's. So these are the various pricing strategies which marketer can apply for pricing their products. Okay, so the first one is skimming pricing. Here in skimming pricing, the price for the product initially will be very high and after sometimes the price will get reduced. In penetration, price will be low at initial level, and once the company gain the market share, they start increasing the price for their product. In competitive pricing, depending upon the degree of competition level in the market, marketer charge the price for their product. In predatory pricing, here objective of predatory pricing is to remove the competitors out of the business, and for that they charge very low price for their products. Next one, economy pricing. Here in economic pricing, price will be assigned very low to product by which and with the intention will be very low, and also they try to maintain the cost of marketing and manufacturing at a minimum level. Next one, psychological pricing. As per psychological pricing, marketer want customer to respond on an emotional basis rather than the rational basis. Next one, captive product pricing. Here the complement product will be provided by the companies and companies will charge a premium price where the consumer is captured. Okay. Next one, geographical pricing. As per the geographical area, prices of the product will be decided. And the last one is value pricing. Here, to maintain the loyal customer or to provide the value to the customers or value product and services to the customers, and to keep the loyal customer, value pricing strategy can be used by the marketer. Okay, I hope you understood what is pricing, what are the factors may have influence on the pricing decision of a product, what are the methods of pricing and the different strategies which marketer can apply for pricing the products. Okay, thank you.